Onya poli yoni kono. Yebu atalo yebu e. Onya poli yoni kono. Yebu atalo yebu e. Onya poli yoni kono. Yebu atalo yebu e. Onya poli yoni kono. Ha. Yebu atalo yebu e. Onya poli yoni kono.
Dede chief.
Hey, Ganel. Hello, Terry.
Oh, the Megano Boki Bushope.
Anya got on Ubo. I got him near 191 na newi upon. Upon ne winga. Elahia Doctor Mrs. CHIOMA AWUZIE. Why you keep bear one? She they came me on a gekaga. I like Dr. CHIOMA AWUZIE. I was you aside the home again July, you know. I didn't home again. So foundation ya make here. As I be a good foundation. I need a wound new foundation. I be a good foundation.
Only be a good foundation.
Ah, to so let them foundation who really run over 10. All this environment. Every house where they build around here. Now me do the foundation. Let teacher get here foundation. I got my give you foundation.
Only in again information. I see they go foundation, I see they join a foundation and then when I make
foundation or the above foundation or foundation. As a chairman name birthday. Birthday ya 20th of July. Manati na nime birthday yan. Makasumbolo mege kwa birthday. One eji birthday ya. Enyine nde mmadụ aka. Oro wudu soso bia na bia die. Mana ọ na-emekwa ya nye ma ndị ụwa na-atụ n'ọnụ. Ma ndị ogbo, ndị ishi, ndị na-enwedo tọrọ ha. Nke this year ga-apụ iche, ke this year ga 1 week asa I ga-egwugide foundation nụ. Go here 1 week.
Chief. Oh, na drop me na gi. Give no information more. Give no update. Give John Den no ya no share of my saka waragi. Foundation Dr. CHIOMA AWUZIE. And when I make the woman make a birthday. Then here 1 week celebration. And in 1 week, I get make different things. Oh, he got you give news of ma.
What is him got? What him be say him got? The thing why here? Let me tell you. The thing why here? As a CHIOMA take narrate it on radio. Why here and for Authority FM. CHIOMA talk say. Her birthday celebration will start on the 14th. 14th to outreach. Eba ge leten dem mad ha. Nde na enwe ho sickness health. Aga ele ha ho. Ma gwakwa ho de nyegasha ho mpro kwa ga eji we megini ya wu health care. Oyi ho ga ewete on that. 15th to we shi aga emekwa nde na enwe de ego eji ha ga school. Aga eme eli ha na akwa.
Chief, jere me gi breakdown of ihe na ka owi ha juru gi. Watch ya. 20th of July will birthday this woman. Dr. CHIOMA AWUZIE 20th of July birthday. Then July 14th, will charity giving an award of scholarship to indigenous students by Dr. CHIOMA AWUZIE. Now July 15th, we want free medical outreach. Then July 20th, okay, we go Thanksgiving mass.
Bishop we archdiocese.
Then July 22, we birthday.
Eleni had it and waiting they different to what you talk to what I talk. I said the birthday go carry a lot of giveaway. I want $1 and yes scholarship. And yen why is support. CHIOMA has been doing this for years. Yeah, will do the first time. It's a foundation or a foundation. Nime foundation from there, we get them mad a group of sorry and 100 mad. Then the people where we go give money from the foundation I'm going to dig for her. Here foundation not be to dig ground, lay block.
Abi Bukeno.
Yeah, my clothes were not the way again. I want to give her, let her use it to support because she's soliciting for support. Because all this thing where she go do, she not go do them empty-handedly. Since she has a foundation, people should support the foundation. I go foundation no one. People will support this foundation. The foundation will stand. From there, she will also get more money to render more helps. To let privilege. Oh no, support. I cannot give what I don't have. I will go there and collect money. But now that I have material things, I will give for others to also benefit from me. Okay. I'm English. Today not be the first day where they speak English. I don't speak English. Totally before I'm one nago. That your father went to school yesterday is because of my quality.
It's okay. No problem.
On the 20th is the main birthday, Thanksgiving. 22nd is the main jubilation celebration and then eventual event. Then on 15th, I was in Bosage and then Madhaka. Please, I want everybody to be aware that our Lolo, Dr. Mrs. CHIOMA AWUZIE is celebrating her birthday. So please let us support her to carry out all this beautiful mindset she has. Because without your support, those things will not be actualized. Let's support her who has the mind of giving. Please, whatever you can render, whatever support you can give, give. They say give and it shall be given unto you. Support Chioma to achieve her dreams. I'm going there now to dig a foundation. I need a foundation because foundation we go block. That is what I understand by foundation. Support her.